We're listening to the beat with the jam box. Yeah. Check this thing out. New for 2025 from TNT Fireworks, jam box. Got this at Publix. This is going to be flashing over here. That's what it's going to look like over there. Performance. Crank up the volume with jam box. This extra loud fountain firework drops the beat with vibrant colors and ends with a flash finale that'll have the crowd grooving to the light show. Yeah. There's your item number right there, the CP2901. Saw this at the store, had to pick it up. So let's jam off with the jam box. Yeah. All right, here we go. Jam box. Oh yeah, it's jamming. Oh yeah. So wee. That's cool. The dogs are jamming.